Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to use the feature of free prompt generator in Wan AI. So let's get started with the video. Make sure that you are signed in to the Wan AI account. Here at the upper side, you will see an option of Explore on the right side of Home. Click on this Explore option. Here at the left side, you will see all the options that are available, all the generator. Here you will see an option of prompt generator under Video AI. Here you can choose the select prompt formula which you are using. You can use according to your need. The description is mentioned below. You can select the output language. You want it in Chinese or English, and you can enter your idea. You need to describe the video content that you want to generate. For example, I want to generate magical forest here. And after that, just click on generate prompt and wait for the AI generator to generate the prompt here. Here, when you will scroll down, you will see the basic ideas on how to use the prompt generator for all the formulas that are being available. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes for it to generate the result for you. So as you can see, it has generated the prompt over here for the idea that we have given, magical forest. So this is how you can use the prompt generator feature of Wan AI. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.